That's it, I'm dead. I'm not fast enough. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have another horror game on the market. Thomas the Shank Engine. Looks absolutely f***ing terrifying. Looks like I fell asleep waiting for the train. Wait, where am I? Yo! This is way creepier in-game. Hello? Alright, see you later. I guess I just follow his ass. Oh, fuck! Shit. To be perfectly honest, I'm not sure what the objective of this game is. And I kinda don't want to find out. Oh, radio. Oh, okay.
It's free real estate.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! What lever? On the right of the gate. Holy shit! Okay. Okay, so where is this lever they talk about? Is that him?
Hey kid, want some candy?
Oh, that is. Hell no. The f is that? Where is this lever? Oh, there it is. Lever. I'd rather not go in there. Is that him? Okay. Yo, that's gotta be the scariest loading screen I've ever seen. I didn't realize that was him! Oh my god. Alright, run him back. Oh my god, I can't go that way. I can't beat him. Oh, there's no way. I have to just instantly sprint. Ooh, perfect. You ain't got me, Thomas. He is hella fast. Is it coming behind me now? Oh my god. I gotta peek these corners hella fast. Okay, I don't know. Hell no. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm looking for. Hell no. Oh, what is this? Security code 5511. I got dog memory like Dory, so I'm gonna write it down on my phone really quickly. Okay. Ooh, where is he? Where is he? Oh my god. There ain't no f***ing way I'm supposed to beat this. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. Please, bro. Please, please. Okay, so if I go the way he came, there's no way it spawns again, right?
Are you sure about that?
I'm just gonna... Oh my god, I was wrong! Comedic timing at its finest. Okay, I see a blue light. I'm gonna go there. Oh, I'm dead. Oh my god, I thought it was to my right. Holy shit. Okay, run it back, run it back. Oh! I clenched my ass so hard. Where is he? Is he coming again? Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm at spawn. I'm gonna let you pass, good sir. You have a good day. Okay, what is this? Press E. Oh, security code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, whoops. That's 2. Give me a second. What is this over here? Door closed. Okay. Maybe like a shortcut? 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. Piece of shit. Fuck you. Yourself. Piece of shit. Pretty please? Okay, well my battery's almost dead. Fuck this door. I'm gonna edge you. Yeah. This is absolutely terrifying. Oh my god, what am I looking for? What am I looking for? That's it, I'm dead. GG's. Ooh! I cut these corners hella quick. I'm beyond terrified for when my battery dies. Oh god. Ooh! Oh god. Oh, please. Oh my god, I got stuck! Oh. Oh, what is this? Security code. 2324. Is that what it was? 2324. Oh, fuck. Okay, I think it switches every time I die. So that's good to know. GG's. Oh my god. I clenched so hard. Pause. Oh! I lost it. I have no idea where it's at. I'm dead. That's right behind me! Oh my god. So you're gonna tell me I gotta find that— oh my god, I forgot he spawns up front. Please, God. You fuck— hello? Okay, so I gotta find that code. Oh, I thought he was behind me. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Okay. I gotta find that code, and that's the escape door, I'm assuming. Well, that's it, I'm dead. I'm not fast enough. Like clockwork, baby. Like clockwork. Okay, I see the green. Perfect. You got shit, Thomas. I just ate the wall. I'm eating the wall. I died because I didn't save my sprint. Oh! Okay, 4265. 4265. He's behind me, isn't he? Yep. Who would have thought? Okay, I gotta find the exit. Oh, he's behind me. No, please, I can't do this game. I'm just gonna mind my business by this corner. You do you, I do me. And we're perfectly fine. Oh my god, he's behind me! Like, I must stay away from the edge. Hey, fuck you. This guy's on my— you ain't got shit, me, Thomas. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my fucking god. Okay. 1255. 2, 1. Okay, door open. Door open. What open? Oh, I gotta find the door now, huh? That's cool. Alright, well, time to shit myself to find this exit. Ooh, he spawned right there. I'm gonna head more center. There's no way. And just like that, I'm dead. No, please! Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to stay at these crossroads. Hey! Maybe not. Okay, follow him, follow him. Oh, I died. Oh my god, he's right there! Oh, he's right there! Oh my god, I clenched so hard. Oh! Where the hell is this exit? I'm stuck on the wall. Not like this. Not like this. I glitched through the map and I died. Okay. That's some bullshit. We continue straight. And just like that, we lost. GG's. What you think, Thomas? Okay, left to right, per usual. Just kidding. It's randomized. Okay, maybe I really shouldn't stay near the exits. Because I'm just fucking myself over. Because I got a 50-50 shot whether he spawns away from me or right next to me just like that, and I die instantly. I really dislike this game. Oh, is this the door? Oh my god, perfect. Oh, it's right there. Okay, I gotta play this smart. This could be the game that I finish it. I should've waited longer. I should've waited. Oh! Okay. 8984. Looking for a blue light. Oh my god, perfect. Oh my god. I had no idea where he was gonna spawn from. Okay, 8984. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Okay, door open. Please, God, please. Ow! Okay, save my sprint. Save my sprint. This is it. This is fucking it. Easiest game I've ever played. Easiest fucking game I've ever played. This game is dog shit. I'm so much better than anybody else who's ever played this game. This game, Thomas fucking creators. But on a real note, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that any of that. No, bro. What? I thought that was it. Oh my god, I got so cocky. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Hello? Sir Thomas? I can't run. I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck, please. Oh, hell no! What the fuck? Hello? I didn't mean any of that, what I just said. I promise you, I'm friendly. I didn't mean any of it. Okay, I can move now. I can move. I can move. Ooh. Oh! Senor Thomas, you won. Ugly motherfucker. Respectfully, of course. Okay, so save the sprints. 100%. Where is he? Oh, I'm terrified. Oh my god! Holy shit. Oh my fucking god. I'm stuck. Oh my god, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, fuck no. Oh, next it. Alright. Third time's a charm. Hi. How are you? You mind if I just scoot right by you? Thank you, sir. Thanks, brother. Okay, I just gotta play it cool. Play it nice and smooth. Maybe I go when... Oh, fuck. No, man. I'm so lost right now. Please. Oh my god. It's so dark. I need light. Okay, just kidding. I think he travels the same path. So if I'm not mistaken, he's gonna go down the... Okay, he's gonna go there, then down the middle. So if I just learn his paths, I should be fine. Except I forgot him, so... Holy shit, we're so close. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I'm blind. Thomas, can we skip all this, please? You take way too much of my time. Respectfully, of course. Alright, this time we go left. We ain't scared of nobody. Oh, he's so fast. Want to make a sprint for it. Thomas, if you'd be a doll, let me just go in front. I think he's gonna swing by, right? Yep, he is. Oh, I forgot about that one. You should be coming down the middle anytime soon. There it is. Okay, that's my move. He's glitching everywhere. Okay, I've never gone this far before. If I don't get it this time, I'm gonna be so pissed. I'm right there. I'm right there. I'm right there. I'm right there. I'm right here. Please. I'm sprinting. Fuck. I'm sprinting. I'm sprinting. Oh! Is this it? Train whistle. Oh my god. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Oh my fucking god. Out of battery. That's it. Okay, now I can confidently say fuck this game and fuck Thomas. Shroudy Software, fuck you. Fuck out with Steve's, fuck Smollett, fuck Iro, Canny Realistic Gaming, Corey X Sketch, I love you. John, Nico, Anthony, I can't say your name, Aaron, all fuck you guys. Respectfully, of course.